here, they come from Atlanta, and also you saw the team. The team is playing, it's the final, so we was expected to have two teams from two states. We have like 6 teams out of state. We have from Kansas City, Atlanta, Boston, Ohio.
Let's make a statement. Listen, each position counts. Every position counts. Die for the ball. Do it for Minnesota, man. Look at you, Jerseys, man. Come on. 1, 2, 3, be Roma. Come on, man. I'll go down there. Defense on
Minnesota. Via Roma. All day. Via Roma.
Poet Nation, man. I'll be phenomenal all day. And Via Roma collaboration.
Tomorrow newspaper right here. That's tomorrow newspaper right there.
Number one. That's all that matters.
This tournament was the Minneapolis was the best. I want to tell you, markii aan isku helaynay jiibka raadinaynay waxaa loo dhahay waxay ka baqaayeen khataar sameeyeen. We proved them wrong.
Assistant coach.
I want to thank Qasim, your nigga Ahmed. I want to thank them because they worked all the way hard. waxaan rabaa caawato inaan idiin sheego congratulations to Atlanta team. Shout out Atlanta. Thank you for making this far. waxaan rabaa marka hore inaan ku soo dhaweeyo maamada gudoomiyaha community leaderka magaalada Minneapolis ugu weyn Raaxa Warsame, especially xagga youthka.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. والله لا ينكرتان ساعة فرح سنة فرحت بين إيدها إنا إذا كلا سوقين قلب.
waxaan idiin sheegaynaa legacy ee ka noqotay Minneapolis. waxaan ka shaqaynaynaa Ahmed, waxaan ka shaqaynaynaa Timberwolves ayaa la imaadgaraysay legacy year targetka lagu ciyaaro. Okay, waxaan u yeeraa number 2 Ahmed Hirsi. waxaan xiga oo bixinaynaa coach of the year. waxaan u yeerayaa Cabdulqaadir Sheekha. waxaan noogu xiga defense of the year Shakir Dair. waa defense player of the tournament, the MVP tournament, Sadiq Haji. waxaa kaloo maantay nasiib noo ah aabbaha ciyaartooyda gobolka Minnesota Cabdi Cali ayaa nala jooga. waxaa kaloo nala jooga macallin Idris Iman Cabdi Yusuf. MVP final of the game oo finalka ah MVP Yaasiin Jamac. ciyaarta second place waxaa galay ciyaartooyda sharafta leh ee ka timid gobolka Atlanta. Thank you very much for playing the best. Final waxa waaye kooxda ku guulaystay Somali American Tournament. Maxay waxaan ku soo dhaweynaynaa inuu siiyo Cabdi Cali uu ka gudoomo asagoo siinaya Minneapolis Via Roma.
This is Coach Via Roma, Ahmed Hirsi. It's been a long time coming. It's great to be in the finals and only win. I gotta give it to Atlanta, Georgia. They came out strong. This event was very positive. The community came together and we put it off. No violence, no nothing. Very glad that all people show that we are about sports too. We're just regular human beings, regular citizens. So at the end of the day, we came out and we won. It was a great atmosphere, as you can see. Everybody was happy. No violence again. So thank you guys and thanks for coming.
#1 coach of the year.
It was a great tournament. We had great people that came out to support. Thank you very much. We will see you, inshallah, next tournament. Congratulations to Villa Roma for winning the whole tournament. And I just want to put out this tournament is designed for people like him and him. Younger kids who's going to be able to do this 10 to 15 years to come and be able to participate in some odd events because of the diaspora and having left the country. So this is a cultural event, a community event where we're all going to remember that at the end of the day, we're Somalis. Forward Nation, appreciate that. Forward Nation.